Today will be a two-parter. So prior to recess, we'll do 2D.3, and post-recess, we will do 2E. Okay, see how we go. That's my plan.
Okay.
So what we're going to do, we're going to learn another process for division. This one only works for linears, division by linears, but it's a lot faster. Okay, so it's a quicker process that we can use, and this process that we're going to do today is called synthetic division. So what we're going to do first is we're just going to be dealing with the coefficients, okay? So we're going to draw this sort of square bracket thing here, and the coefficient I have out in front is -2, so I'm going to put a 2 there, alright? It's X take out, I'm going to put a 2 there. If we had +5, like we will over here, then I'm going to put a -5 there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go through and we're going to put all of the coefficients of all of the terms in here. Not the x's, just the coefficients. So you can see I've got one lot of x to the power of 3. Alright? We need to do the x squared term even though there is none. We've got 0 lots of x squared, we've got 4 lots of x, and then we've got 5. So we're just putting those numbers in. Alright? Then what we do we put a 0 here, okay? And we go 1 plus 0 equals 1, okay? And then we go 1 times 2 equals 2. So we put a 2 there. We go 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. And 5 plus 16 is 21. Okay, box that off there, that's our last one, that's our remainder. Okay, so what this tells us is this is the coefficients of the quotient. We have one lot of x squared, 2 lots of x, and then plus 8. Alright, so to write it as our answer, it's going to be the polynomial of x. This is what we started with, x to the 3 plus 4x plus 5. Okay. What we've discovered is this is the quotient and this is the remainder. Alright, so if we have p of x divided by x take 2, we can express it as x squared plus 2x plus 8 plus 21 on x take 2. Alright, they are the same function. Might write it so I can use that space over there. X squared plus 2x plus 8 plus 21 on x take 2. Okay, remember, p of x on d of x is equal to q of x plus r on d of x. Alright, we've got that written down. Okay, let's do the next one. Alright, we've got a quartic, okay, and so we've got x plus 5, so that means our value out the front here is going to be -5. We'll draw up our square bracket. We've got 3 lots of x to the 4. We've got 0 lots of x to the 3. Make sure you put a 0 if there is not one of the degrees that we need. We've got 0, -5, +3, and +2. Okay, we always put a 0 in the first cell, and then we just sum and multiply. 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 times -5 is -15. 0 plus -15 is -15. -15 times -5, positive 75. -5 plus 75 is 70. 70 times -5 is -350. Go 3 plus minus 350 is minus 347. Minus 347 times minus 5. Just do that in my head quickly. Minus 1735. Minus 1733.
Shouldn't that be positive?
Yep. Yep, negative, makes positive. Okay, so let's express the polynomial. Let's write it out as we had it. How does the question ask? Form the following divisions. So that's fine. So let's state what the polynomial was. It was 3x to the 4, take 5x squared plus 3x plus 2. Okay. So if we're dividing the polynomial by x plus 5, then it's going to equal 3 lots of x to the power of 3. Take 15 lots of x squared plus 70 lots of x. Okay, there we go. So I've only got 2 examples there. If people are feeling okay, they can get started on 2D.3. Does anyone want to go through another one, or we sort of feel like we got it? Cool. Excellent.